Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you're well. Yesterday I've been talking about my bearish scenario for Bitcoin and Elrond, but we also have bullish scenario, and this is why subscribing to my channel, The Owl, will provide you many live charts, and we have this Elrond official live chart too that I want to show you. Right here, if we zoom out inside this scenario, it's a classic scenario, which we can see an ABC wave here, and this ABC will be a zigzag because we had 5 waves down, an impulse down, and this bullish divergence that I've been talking about it to confirm the bottom of this A wave right here. Right now we are trying to find the top of this B wave, and the most probable target for this B wave, because this is a zigzag ABC, would be $126.90, $172.31. We also have at the 0.764 $200.40, and the last target is the 0.854 at 217.71. But the most probable for me will be the golden fib for sure. And anyway, it is too early to know. Inside a B wave, you always gonna get an ABC, no doubt about this. This will not change. It's an Elliott wave theory rules. And anyway, we know now that we need to find out if it's gonna be this ABC is gonna be a zigzag or a flat. Right now we don't know, not enough information. Let's deep dive inside the movement and figure out the most probable entries for this. Right now, if we are going on the 2-hour chart, this USD chart is manipulated a lot, and I will not consider that wick because it doesn't correlate with a flat B. It didn't reach the 1.23, and I cannot see this wick inside the eGOLD USD and the eGOLD BUSD. It is why I will not consider that. And this is a clean B wave right here that stopped at the 0.764, which will confirm a zigzag. But I don't want to talk too early. It is possible that this B wave will end at the 0.854 at 91.20, 0.9 at 91.76, and the 1.23 at $95.77. Those two target 1.23 and the 0.9 are flat ABC target for a B wave, and right now it is not the case. It was rejected on the 0.618, but for now doesn't mean it will change. We will follow that. Now I will just provide you some entries in the case that this B wave will stop there and we will not go higher, but I cannot confirm that this is the end of the B wave right now. But it can be an ABC. And if we are changing our chart, I'm just gonna show you and make a copy. We will go on Elrond USD BUSD. You will see that much less noise, a really clean chart, and it is why let's start from here, and I will provide you some entries from here. Okay, what is it? This movement is clearly an ending diagonal for me, no doubt about this, and I didn't remember if I explained why. Because a wave 4, when a wave 4 crush a wave, the first wave, it is an ending diagonal, and this is the only scenario. And I was usually ending diagonal are happening inside the first wave. And this is what we are seeing right now. If we are going here, it is the same. This is the first wave. You know, I can put this. This is the ending diagonal in wave in 5 wave, an impulse of 5 wave. Okay, I'm just gonna put them back here for you. Let's do that quickly. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see crush wave 1 right here, ending diagonal, wave 5 top. And now we want to know where this wave 3 will come to retrace, and after that wave 3, 4, 5 we go. Right now, let's do that. Gonna place it a little bit smaller this way. All right, let's zoom in. And what we can see, and I was explaining that, this is an A. We are trying to find the top of B, and we will have the C wave to figure out the most probable target for the second wave retracement. Let's try to see if we are, you know, we are having fibs that are correlating. If you want to know the most probable target on a retracement of a wave 2, you will take your fib retracement tool, one click on top, one click on the bottom, and you will, you know, you can take the for you the default. Me, I have my own but you know, we can use the default. This way it's going to be easier for you. And you come here, I'm going to place this on the right side, the numbers, and now we are having a clear view of the most probable target for a wave 2. I'm going to add the 0.854 and 0.85. Let's do that right here. And you will also have the 0.9, 0.95, but less probable. But you know, this the golden fib is usually one of the most probable target for the retracement of a wave 2, no doubt about this. And this is less probable, the 0.382 at 82.40. But probable 0.5 at 79.09. Most probable is the 0.618 at $75.77. And you also have the 0.85 at 69.25. But now let's figure out the most probable target of this C. If we found and touch the top of the B wave, you take your trend-based fib extension, you click on the top, bottom of B, and top of bottom of A, top of B, and now you're placing your fibs, and you try to figure out if there is any correlation somewhere. Now we can see that there is a correlation right here at $82.32, and we also have a correlation at you know, golden fib is pretty close, 74.81, 75.77, $75.77 with this 1.23. But let's figure out that, you know, Elrond's gonna go higher and, you know, end this B wave a little bit higher. We will place our B wave fib, most probable fibs, and I'm gonna provide them to you. It's easy. B wave up. This is already there for me. And you know, to have a better view, I'm gonna bring this back here on top, and I will add the 1.23 because we don't know if this A wave was an impulse down of 5 waves or an ABC. I look at it, but it's pretty, you know, pretty tough to figure out. It is why this B wave can come. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. This B wave can come higher and at $91.35. Also, the 0.764 is available at $90.24. The 0.9 will trigger flat wave, will tell us that it is a flat wave, and the 1.23 at $95.96 will also tell us that this is an ABC and flat. Those two targets are to watch, because if we hit one of those two targets, it will change the most probable fibs retracement for the flat C that we are having here. Okay, now if we are just playing for fun on those fib and try to bring to figure out most probable target for C and try to anticipate where this B wave can end, now we know that this one seems to have a great correlation if this B wave is over right now. But let's bring the fib on the 0.764. If Elrond's going at $90.24, we still have this one that is a very good target. The 0.854, which is the last zigzag target available, is providing us a good correlation around $76.26 and $75.77. This bring a good possibility that for me that the golden fib will be reached if this happen and Elrond is going higher. Also the 0.9 at $91 if we go there. Okay, for this flat retracement, this will change our most probable retracement fib for the C wave, because you need to understand that a flat wave are providing different C wave most probable fibs than a zigzag. Okay, if it is going to the 0.9 right here, and this B wave will end at $91.91, the most probable fib for a regular flat will be the 61.8, the 100, and the 123. We will have to forget about this fib at $72.07 exactly. And but this $76.83, $79.65, and $84.34 will be available for but this one less probable, because in a second wave retracement at least we need to reach the 0.382. For me, this is a minimum target for that. If we are going at the 1.23 at $95.96, we will have only two targets available, which will be $76.12, and this is right on the golden fib. Also, we will have the 1.23. Those two targets will be the only one available if we go there. $80.88 and $76.12. Those will be the expanded flat scenario most probable target, and this is important to follow. If it happen, also you need to know when a B wave is going at the 1.23 point, there is two possibilities. It can be an expanded flat or a running flat. If it's a running flat, you need to watch this A wave closely here. It's if it's an ABC, running flat is a probable target too, and the 100 and the 0.618 will be the most probable target for a running flat, and this one will not be an option, which means that it is possible if it's a running flat that we will stop at $83.70 right here, and this will end our wave 2. But you know, for me, it's you know, it's more rare that, but now they are manipulating so much the price that you know, it can happen, and we still have we still need to keep a door open for that scenario, and it is you know, possible that it will happen. Anyway, inside my live chart, I'm always updating everything, and you can follow that live if you join the old, which is pretty cool. I'm sure you will not regret it for $75. Damn, this is nothing in comparison. You know, you will have access to many videos that I am providing inside the feed. Also, you know, many information, entries, targets, and you know, we are. You will also have the ability to you know. I will provide you. I will add you, sorry, inside the whole community group. This way, you can, you know, share your thoughts and share your charts, and you know, ask questions about different coins, and you will love it. I'm sure you will love it. Anyway, this is you know, an overall view. Let's do something pretty clean. This way, you will be able to at least have some information about this video, and what I mean by that is by figuring out the most probable target if we are not going higher. This target will be possible at $82.32, also $77.64, $74.82, and $70.05 would be the most probable targets for this C wave right here. And you know, correlation here at the golden fib around $75.77 and $74.82. But you know, they have liquidity here, and for sure at the same time they can send a wick to, you know, just close this C wave at 74.82 to end this second wave retracement. But also this one, I will say a little bit less probable, but it is probable in because now Bitcoin, you know, seems to turn and want to continue to rise. Probably we'll see. You know, we have, I created a video this morning and provided all the information to my subscribers, and we are preparing, and you know, we already have some entries, and we are waiting to see if the last resistance will turn into support, and that Bitcoin will go inside an extension or two in this wave 5. All right, hope you appreciate it. Cheers, I love you. Thanks for listening, guys. Wish you the best. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.